This is to answer homework question for Math 10. Okay, it's 3.5, number 47. So to do this problem, we need to find all the complex zero, means to solve these problems. There's a degree 3 here, means you're going to 3 solutions. So how do we narrow down the solution? So like we said before, we need to find P, Q, P over Q, okay? P is all the number that can divide 8, which is a plus minus 1, plus minus 2. 2 can divide by 8, plus minus 4, plus minus 8. And Q is all the number can divide by 1 here, the coefficient of XQ, which is a plus minus 1. When you divide these two numbers together, it's just equal to P. Now we're going to put in the standard division form. So it's 1, 2, 4, 8. And we're going to test it. Okay, I tried the 1 before, doesn't work. Negative 1 doesn't work. I tried 2 also, that doesn't work. And as a what, it was a negative 2. That's the one thing I can tell you is if you have so many positive signs, very likely positive number won't work. Okay, you got to put a negative. So 1 here. 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. That becomes 0. 0. 4, negative 8, 0. You want 0, that right? So now for the rest of it, you lose 1 degree, so you're going to go x squared plus 4 equals 0. Okay? And now you're going to subtract 4 on both sides. And take the square root. Don't forget the plus minus sign. I mentioned that to you. I say if there's a negativity, that means there's an I here. Okay, and then comes out equal to plus minus 2i. So your answer will be negative 2 and then plus minus 2i. So that's how you do number 47. And let's try number 15.3. That's another question. It's number 15.3. And the problem is 2xq plus 7x squared plus 12x plus 9. So we're going to do the same thing. First, we're going to get P, then Q, then P divided by Q. P is all the number can divide by 3, so 1, 3, and 9. Q is all the number can divide by 2. Then divide it together. Okay, D divided by that, just a 1, 1/2. D divided by that is a plus minus 3. And then plus minus 3 over 2. Plus minus 9. Plus minus 9 over 2. And guess what happened when I put this as standard division? And I test these, none of them work. Okay, none of them work. So which one that work is a negative 3 over 2. I know so it has been negative because when the all positive, okay, then you know that whatever work has been negative, so I didn't even check the positive one. So that's a hint, okay? If you see this all positive here, then you don't check the positive, just check the negative. If they're all negative, then you check the positive. That usually works pretty well. So 2 times the negative 3 over 2 just become negative 3. It's a 4. 4 times the negative 3 over 2 is equal to negative 6. That becomes 6. 6 times the negative 3 over 2 is 6 divided by 2 is 3, so it's a negative 9. Okay, so yeah, 2x squared plus 4x plus 6 equals 0. I'm going to divide all the 2 because they all have 2 here. So divide everything by 2. I get x squared plus 2x plus 3 equals 0. This one cannot be factored, but we can use a quadratic formula. Okay, so I'm going to continue here, so I need more room. To use a quadratic formula, okay, this one. And then your a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c equals 3. And then x equal to negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And that's equal to negative 2 plus minus 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 3 over 2 times 1. So that's equal to negative 2 plus minus 2 squared equal to 4 minus 12 over 2. And that becomes a negative 2 plus minus negative 8 over 2. Again, you see the negative side there. Okay, that's your I. And then square root a is equal to 2 square root 2. And then now they all have a 2. Factor out the 2. And then that reduce. Okay. So you have an answer is negative 1 plus minus I square root 2. So the 3 answer you have, this is degree 3. I erased the problem. So it's a negative 3 over 2. And then minus 1 plus minus I square root 2. So that's how you do the problem number 15-7. Okay? Be sure to do your homework.